Hey everybody, this is Amy Fuchs from Keller Williams Chattahoochee North, the Family Homes Georgia team, and I'm here to show you this amazing house at 1817 Baxley Pine Trace in Suwanee. It is a 4-bedroom luxurious home with an unfinished basement, fenced-in backyard, and Peachtree Ridge School District. Hey, let's go in and take a tour together. Here we go. Ready? Rocking chair front porch, very welcoming. You come into this great, beautiful space with a huge dining room, great for entertaining. And here's your fantastic living area. We have built-in shelves, coffered ceilings, 2 fireplaces, updated lighting, just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stuff here. We've got this huge kitchen. I'm just going to pause it here, right back here where you see the blue. You have a pantry, you have a mudroom over here, and this is where the garage is. Easy access, bringing in the kids, the groceries, whatever. Just fantastic, everything you need. Gorgeous granite, tons of cabinets, breakfast eating area, keeping room leading to your outdoor deck. Here it is. This is the 3rd deck of the house, just overlooking your back porch, your backyard that's fenced in. We're coming up the stairs to our oversized master. Tray ceilings, recessed lighting, you're just gonna love it. Beautiful ensuite and large walk-in master closet as well. There's 3 other large bedrooms. Those 2 are connected by a Jack and Jill. And then there's also one with an ensuite. 2 of the upstairs bedrooms connect to your upper outside deck, covered, just lovely. There's your backyard. You can get to it from the unfinished basement, not shown. It's huge and it's stubbed, it's plumbed, it's got insulation, it has electricity, it has windows, it has doors. It is just ready to be finished off. Just lovely. Come visit this house, 1817 Baxley Pine Trace. We have some COVID-19 showing restrictions in place, but happy to show it to you, or your agent can come show it. We're listed at $380,000, price to sell. Call us with any questions at 404-439-1031. Again, I'm Amy Fuchs with the Family Homes Georgia team, affiliated with Keller Williams Chattahoochee North. Our number, you can call or text us at 404-439-1031. The office number is 678-578-2700. Thank you so much for joining us. Oh, hello there. I'm going to stop recording. Have a great day.